Hey guys, welcome to the Creators Loft, and we are here to share our lofty ideas. Today I'm here with my friend Kwating, and we have a lot to talk about. So I want to ask Kwating, why are you doing your NSS?
I'm doing it with an AI company. And most people don't know, but there's a lot of like tech companies and a lot of tech stuff going on in Ghana.
No, you have to be tapped in to know. I'm actually curious about what you do at where you work.
So, very summarized,
Yeah, okay, no problem.
we train AI models
Mm-hmm.
on prepared data sets.
Prepare data sets.
So our process, we are like role in the value chain
Mm-hmm.
actually to prepare the data sets.
Data sets.
Yeah.
So that sounds like a very important task because I know that AI, you need data. Without data, you can't train a model. The
Yeah.
model will be useless.
Yeah, I think it's the lowest point in the value chain,
Mm-hmm.
and it's also the most important point in the value chain. But the issue is that you see, you cannot use AI to train AI, or you cannot use AI to train the data sets for it, because there's this thing where like, so right now we are all using AI to put content out there, right? So what ends up happening is that AI needs that data. So if you're always using AI to create the content, and now AI is being trained on created content, what happens? You're using AI stuff to feed AI, and AI is supposed to learn from us.
Okay.
Do you get it?
Okay.
And that's why the humans are very important in the value chain, because we need to make sure that what's entering into AI is human moderated. Yeah, I just feel like there are three fields that are most important, right? In terms of like pushing the future.
Mm-hmm.
We have social media, right? Creator economy, very important.
Mm-hmm.
We have AI,
Okay.
it's very important in generation of content, etc. And then we have blockchain, which is
Okay.
also a very like important technology moving forward. So I was like, these are the three fields that are like very important, and I want to put myself in one, you know.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
AI.
So let me give a little background on even how, because someone might sit down and be like, how did you even get this opportunity to work with? I went to LinkedIn,
Mm-hmm.
just looking for opportunities, because I knew that NSS period was coming,
Yeah.
and I wanted to like get involved,
Mm-hmm.
right? So I see this company, and I'm like, interesting. And I go to the application place, and I apply. When I apply, then they send me a mail that, oh, we're going to have a test day, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that day I was actually writing exams. So when I got back from like the exam, right, then they put us all on a call,
Okay.
and we were about 67 people. And out of these 67, we write a test, and the test goes on for like 3 hours. And you see, the thing about it is that at that time I didn't know what I was doing. 3 hours just drawing these boxes around the images, and then eventually the results come out, and I just keep praying to God like I've gotten the position that I want.
Mm-hmm.
And it comes, and I think that I do really well out of the 7.
Okay, cool. That's actually really cool.
Yeah. So the training, what makes training different? So the whole AI value chain is like it's you prepare the data set,
Mm-hmm.
then you train a model using code.
Okay.
Then after training the model, right, you give the model the opportunity to learn by itself. After it learns by itself, people use it. And as people are using it, it's constantly learning.
Okay.
So first of all, the robot needs to have a brain. So we need to train the brain. That's how the robot is going to think, and that's the AI. So we take pictures. Like you take pictures of all your shirts. You take pictures of red shirts. You take pictures of green shirts, of yellow shirts, of blue shirts,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then like you compile all of those shirts. So like you have like 50 pictures of shirts,
Mm-hmm.
right? So 50 is actually a very small sample, but then you give those 50 shirts to like a company like where we're working, right? And then you tell them, okay, see, I want you to annotate
Okay.
that like so like yeah. So you want to help the machine to identify that, okay, this is red tops.
Okay.
So as you're going to the data set, as you're going to the pictures,
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3, every red shirt that you see, you're like, oh, maybe you put a mark there,
Mm-hmm.
right? And then you do that to all the images. After you're done doing that to all the images, right? What happens is that those images are then converted to a format called CocoJSON. It's a way of converting images to a JavaScript format that the machine can learn. Then these images have now been converted to code, lines and lines of code.
Okay.
Right? And now this code is given to the programmers who are going to train the AI.
Okay.
Right? So maybe like I'm a company that does data annotation. You come to me, I take that data set and the images, I do it, blah 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 blah. I help you identify the ones that you want. After that, I give you back the images through whatever platform that we're using, and then your programmers will convert those images to a programming language.
And you know, you talking about how like the model is trained, it's reminding me of like how kids learn. It's like they take their time to pick out and trial and error.
Yeah, exactly, trial.
And it makes you think like, okay, we human beings, we need like 50, maybe 100 people on the team just to make a model.
Yeah.
And a human being is born with just that.
And that's the beauty of intelligent design, beauty of God, beauty of creation. Go deeper into the AI space, you will learn about like the issue that's going on between Claude, Anthropic, and OpenAI, right? OpenAI, they are the people that created ChatGPT. They are the ones who started, like, they really created like chat models.
Because I remember there was a time where everyone thought every single AI application
was ChatGPT.
Like
the way Ghanaians call every toothpaste episode.
Exactly.
Or every washing powder.
So like they really, I don't know, I feel like they really, rode that trend.
So they were not the pioneers of AI. AI started in 1990 something, but they were the ones that really made AI common, right? Yeah. So my main point is that Sam Watia or Sam Satiba, I don't really remember the name. But you can cross check it. Maybe the show on the screen or something. He believes that like human beings, the way we think, right? Our neural networks and stuff, it's just a computational model. Like it's math. Our brains, as magnificent as they are, it's just math. And he believes that if we can find the right combinations of neural networks and computational models for AI, right?
Yeah.
We could end up creating AI that's smart enough or smart as us. Right? It's very interesting that you're able to draw a similarity between how we train AI and how we train children.
Yeah.
It goes back to that thing about visual learning and how it's very important.
I just find it funny how like it just takes like so many people and billions of dollars just to create like a
billions and billions and millions of dollars to create AI is a. That's why I also feel like especially annotation. It's something that's not going to be there forever. Or it's not. It's going to be there, but it's not going to be there in the capacity. But the issue is that is it going to be something that is sustainable? It's a very exhausting job. We'll get into that later about experiences and stuff, but it's an exhausting job and it takes a lot of effort.
I think one of the funniest experiences I had with the AI was the AI gave me information. I told the AI I was wrong and they agreed with me.
Anytime you tell AI it's wrong, it will accept. Because there's a term that we call hallucination, right?
In AI.
Yeah, in AI.
Why is it called?
It's telling you, and it's so sure of it, right? But it's making some of the details up, right? So that's why it's hallucinating. And that's why we're not supposed to trust a lot of the content that comes from AI. Because a lot of it can be misinformation, and we should be able to apply human judgment to remove the elements of like.
I don't think that's a sensible goal, because people like if someone was capable of like just wanted to do something without the help of AI, they wouldn't go to AI. You know what I'm saying? When people just go to AI, they just want to trust it because it's just easier. So that hallucinating thing, it's gonna affect a lot of people.
I think there's a very beautiful video that Kejisat in a nutshell did on YouTube, and usually they cross-check their information, but they wanted the shortcuts, so they use the AI. And when they use the AI, like the AI gave them lots of information that the AI gave them was made up. And do you know where the made up stuff came from?
No, because AI is a lot, right? But I actually want to know, because you're into tech, but you also believe that social media, being a creator, is a big point that we have to focus on.
the creator economy is a beautiful space because it allows all of us to dig deep in ourselves, right, and then contribute something to the world.
Okay.
And in the beginning, to even be a creator was so gatekept because Hollywood, you can only become a creator or a celebrity through Hollywood, or maybe football. And also, creating, the spirit of creating makes you better. Because to create, you need to take something from within yourself and make something. It's more difficult to create than to consume. It's the process of creating makes you better every single day.
Sounds like go online is like I'm just seeing random things, like things I'm not into, like the YouTube algorithm, TikTok, and all that. And it's just so much noise. Because if you want content, you have particular people or industries that's like everyone is creating, and I feel like it's really destroying, like, I don't know, like the uniqueness of creativity. Because some people do, and some people do have the talent and all that, but there's just so much chaff online, so much chaff, so much. So how do you think, like?
That's why we need more creators from technical backgrounds, because you know your craft, you're sure of your craft.
Yeah.
Like even AI, we've been in that space, so we know what we're talking about. You get it?
Yeah.
More people from technical backgrounds who are willing to do the research, do the fact checking.
Yeah.
To create. So creating from experiences, creating from knowledge, things that you've researched about, things that you've invested your time and your energy in.
Sometimes I feel like the creative aspect of social media is not really there nowadays. Because sometimes you can watch like 6 videos and it feels like it's a little
drained.
Yeah, a little. It's like the same meal. What I like about him is like he's himself. You don't see him doing anything. It's like, okay, this doesn't really feel like actual speed. Copying trends is not a bad thing, but there is just and that's my issue with the whole creative space. But yeah, I feel, as you said, everyone has a dream and people wake up want to do something. It's fine, but I'm just tired of seeing chat. That's just me.
Yeah, I get you. I mean, it's a good stance to take. It's a good stance to be mindful. I mean, but I don't think we need to take is account that majority of the people who create, they don't consume what they create. The ones who create something and they are aware of the detrimental effects of it, they don't use their stuff. You know, some like something like
Okay, I think I have something.
Yeah.
I think there was this video I saw of the McDonald's CEO eating his own burger. The way he bit it was like, nah, this shit is trash.
Yeah, aware. Like, how is it that people create so that they can avoid being trapped by their creations? So they end up trapping you. Even like, take our experience even in data annotation, right? But it's okay. So example, YouTube. I watch the betas quite a lot, right? And Nico, because YouTube is like his whole shtick, he like drives out content. Because like he's obsessed with what he's doing. Like just like Mr. Beast. But Chance is not as consistent as Nico. Because he does something else outside of like
That's true. And I just remembered this thing. Like, social media is so crazy because some things that happen, you wouldn't even believe it. Things that get blown out of proportion. It's good, it has evolved, but the chaff is a bit too much. And yeah, you also spoke about blockchain.
Yeah.
I would like to know more, but I've heard it. I know it's related to cryptocurrency and all that. So,
blockchain is a big thing. I'll get into a summary here because like later on we want to make like dedicated videos for each of them. But I'll just get into a summary. Like blockchain is a very summarized version. It's a database, right?
Yeah.
That is not owned by a single person.
Okay.
It's owned by multiple nodes.
Okay.
Right? And these nodes are all computers. So like you have a computer, I have a computer, he has a computer, right? And we all own like this we form a whole like network, and that's what's called a block.
Okay.
Right? And then we have transactions. So when a transaction happens, right? Transaction 1 happens. Transaction 1 is given like a certain ID.
Okay.
Right? And that ID, you have a copy, I have a copy. All of us in that network, in that block, we have a copy of that transaction.
Okay.
Because transaction 2, on all of our devices, it recognizes transaction 1 as having a specific ID. The moment you try and alter the ID or change any information about the ID, it breaks the chain. So imagine you have a long chain of like 15 or 50, and then you break one of the chain, like one of the transactions in the chain, right? It does not allow continuity. So because of that, it rejects your change. So it's a chain of transactions. Right?
So it's like okay. So how I'm seeing it is like a domino thing.
Kind of
like a domino.
yeah.
Like if you mess with it, all of them.
Everything's going to cause a shit. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can't really alter stuff. You can't change anything about it. Anytime you try to change something about it, everybody's going to be aware. It's very secure. It's very public. Everybody can see what's going on, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So it's the future in the sense that like blockchain also goes hand in hand with cryptocurrency, right? So all of these records that Messi and Ronaldo are getting. So I even have this theory that like you see, I don't know, you don't watch a lot of football. So in actual sense, the reduces goes about 700 something because you're like those 1,000 plus, no one saw them, and they'll be like Ronaldo and Messi are not really the goals because their data was stored in a database. And a database can be changed, and edited. Do you get it?
Yeah, I get it.
And we are storing our data in blockchain, and blockchain cannot be edited, cannot be changed, cannot be done like.
So what if you make a mistake?
So when you make a mistake, right, you append a change. It doesn't change the old one, it just shows that you appended a change. Do you get it? But well, so it depends on the kind of mistake you make. Because if like let's say you are sending money from one wallet to a different wallet, and it's in a I'm going a bit technical, but it's in a decentralized environment, the money is lost. So yeah, the future is exciting. Social media, AI,